It's been a snowy day, so we are going to make snow cream.
And first of all, what you want to do is you want to make sure that this is snow that has been sitting in a bowl for a long time and it's clean. Don't use the yellow snow. So first thing we're going to need, and there's multiple ways that you can do this, but what we're going to do is we're going to take a can of what we call Eagle brand milk, but it's actually condensed milk.
Any brand will work. And you know, it's best if you chill this before you
use it so that it doesn't basically
melt the snow. So this has just been a can of Eagle brand milk that's been in the refrigerator.
And then some vanilla flavoring.
And we don't really measure vanilla because, well, we love vanilla.
So I measure it with love. How much do I want? About that much. And then you're just going to stir this in. Now, growing up, my dad made ours, and he would make ours with milk and sugar and vanilla. But since we're using the Eagle brand milk, you don't need any sugar because it's got plenty. So you just want to stir. And a couple of years ago, I don't know if they still do, but Mayfield ice cream, you could buy snow cream ice cream. It's the one in the yellow box.
At least in our area.
Yeah. So we have seen a snow today like we have not seen since 2004.
Decades.
But the latest report coming in from our local meteorologist said the last time we amassed this much snow in a single day, 2004. As you can see, it's kind of stuck to the bowl. And this snow, there was no ice or anything. It's just pure snow, and so much so that we couldn't even make a snowball.
And of course, if you want to keep it, well, throw it in the freezer. So like, subscribe, watch this next video from Ghost Kitchen.
Come fix your bowl of this.
Bye.